welcome to Crafting Unedited. My name is Sierra and today we are heat pressing some rhinestones. So Heat Transfer Warehouse had sent me some Rhinestone Transfers. They use hot fix rhinestones, and I thought that it would be an awesome idea to show you guys the process on how to press them onto a garment. This is what they look like. This is the one I'm going to be pressing. This is how they come. Very shiny. They are actual rhinestones. It's not vinyl, so they do have a feel and texture to them. You get them on the cover. This is what they're stuck to, is the clear part. And then the backing. I'm not entirely sure why the backing is the way that it is, but it is. It's like grippy feeling. I'm not sure. But it does, they're sealed so that they don't fall off or fall out or anything like that. So this one is perfect because my birthday is tomorrow. Whenever you watch this, it's probably not going to be my birthday tomorrow. But yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this on a shirt that I can wear tomorrow for my birthday, because why not? And we're gonna press it onto a cotton, I believe is the material of the shirt that I picked. I could switch it up and do something else, but I want to do this one. It's actually 58% cotton, 39% modal, whatever, and 3% spandex. It's from Walmart. Got it a while ago. Trying to figure out what the heck to put on it for some time now. But it was one of those like super clearance shirts that I bought because it was on super clearance. So why not? Anyways. So I have my heat press here set to 305, and we're going to press it for 15 seconds roughly. It says 10 to 15 seconds, so I'll probably go with the full 15 just because of my OCD and trust issues. So I'm going to go ahead and pre-press my shirt just because that's what I do. All right, so these can be used on any material, just not nylon. So for obvious reasons, nylon will melt. You can use cotton, polyester, a blend, a tri-blend, spandex, pretty much anything that you could think of. I think that you can put these on like tumblers and stuff too. I might have to try that. We'll see. But because I've done heat press tumblers before, so. But that's for another day. Today, we are just pressing the shirt. So again, heat press is set for 305, and you're gonna press for 10 to 15 seconds. I'm gonna go ahead and give this a quick press. Then put Teflon sheet under it. Come on. Just a quick press to get any moisture out and wrinkles. You don't want to press it on a wrinkle because then it could end up really wonky looking. Pull that out. And there we go. It's nice and pressed. I'm going to straighten it out on my press here so that I can leave it there. Alrighty, so this basically you just peel. Bear with me. You separate it at a corner, and don't mind my facial expressions, y'all. That's what I do. Alrighty, so then you just peel it off of the backing here. Like so. You can purchase these transfers. They have stock transfers that you can select, pre-designed ones, or you can send them a design that you want custom done, which is pretty sweet, I do have to say. Give me all the glitz and glamour. Just kidding, I'm not very glittery. I like it, but I'm not like one of those super glittery people. But anyway, so they have hundreds of pre-designed stock transfers that you can choose from. They range from like $2 to $12 depending on the size. And they do take a few days to ship because they are each made to order. They're not like ready to ship, I don't think. Some of them are. I take that back. Some of them are ready to ship. But it can take a little longer for custom ones, obviously. Alrighty. So I do really love that it comes on a sticky mask, because then you can pick up your garment, hold it up, because that's what I do, to see if I like where it's placed, to see if I think it's centered, which I don't, so I can peel it off and try again. Or you can also always use your t-shirt ruler. I'm the worst with the t-shirt ruler thing. I still feel like I use it wrong, but you know. I don't know where the middle of this thing is. Somewhere around there. So when I try to find the middle of something, I just fold it in half, align the two ends, and then I pinch the middle so that I can see where it's at. All I'm doing right now is lining it up. Trying to get it on there straight this time. This mask is like something else. It's super sticky. So it's all lined up. You can move it around too. All lined up, ready to go. Now I'm gonna press. And we're gonna stick to pressing it this way so that my seams don't get all weird. When it comes to anything with like spandex or that modal stuff as a material in a shirt, I try to avoid putting any of my seams on my press. So the side seams, the neck seam, any of it. I do that because when you press this type of material and you have the seams on there, it's going to create like a scorching around those seams. And that's just because there's more pressure placed on that area than there is the rest of the areas, and it's just a mess. So you don't have to use the thermal sheet or the Teflon sheet. I do, so choose what you want. Alrighty, we've got that under, and we're gonna press for 15 seconds. I feel like my green light on my press is like faded. It's so hard to read, especially with the light. Could just be me though. Can you see it? Can you see the green? I can see the red, but I can't see the green. All right, there's 15 seconds. Move it away. This is a cold peel. Not cool, not hot, cold. Cold peel transfer. So what I do to get the cold peel, remove it from your press without murdering your shirt, hopefully. And let it cool. Cold peel, guys. Don't rush it. See, I was worried that they'd melt. They did not melt at all. I'll show you in a second. Trying to let it cool still. All right, so that should be good. Nice and cool. Now, we peel off the mask, and voila. It's so pretty. I love this. This is awesome. They're on there. I don't think they're going to fall off. They might after several washes, but from what I've been told, they last quite a while. They're very high quality, and the adhesive that they use is pretty high. Granted, it's not like the bedazzling tool where it's like in the shirt. I feel like those don't last as long either, so whatever. Like I said, it was a super cheap shirt, so I don't care. That, my friends, is how you press these rhinestones. Now, washing instructions. Inside out, cool water or cold water, and just like you would any other made garment, self-made garment, except for you can use fabric softener on these, and if it's a white shirt, you can use bleach. Wonderful awesomeness. So guys, this is how you press these hot fix rhinestone transfers. Make sure that you head on over to Heat Transfer Warehouse to grab you some of their stock images or stock rhinestone transfers, or send them your own image so that they can make you a rhinestone image of that image. That's a lot of imaging, but either way, make sure you go over there, get it done, buy some. My link is in the description. Yes, I earn a tiny bit of commission off of that link. Whatever you buy from them, I get a little bit of, and no charge to you. So that is how you're supporting me. It's just by buying stuff that you would buy anyway and watching my video. So thank you. Make sure you subscribe wherever the thing may be, and like this video. Maybe drop me a comment, say hello. I'd love to speak to you and all of you, and you, and you, and you, and you, and you. Anyways, I've had just a little too much caffeine already today. So until next time, my friends, happy crafting.